working on this C250. This side the LED and the blinker, everything works. This side headlight doesn't work, as you can see. It's a new headlight, old modules. The other modules here, but I have put original modules back on. With this module the light works, however put the original one on and nothing works, so what this means is it needs coding. So on the headlamp, this is the fault coming up. So we'll code it in, hopefully see what happens. So let's go back on there, and then we'll go into control unit adaptions, and then from there we'll move into the teaching processes. Here we are, control unit adaptions, teaching processes, adaption data, this one. So let's take it out and I'll show you where to find this. It's telling us the LED code, and it's this one here. So I have zoomed out. You just press scan QR code. So if I do this, and if for instance it's a bit difficult to achieve it, there we go, it's caught it. It's very difficult, you've got to clean it and make sure it's there. Anyways, so we've done that. So now it's telling us to scan the other one. So you scan the top bit, and then after that, going on to the next page, you scan the bottom bit, and that will hopefully trying to code it in, and you just wouldn't. And I found out it's ripped wires everywhere really. It's cut a few. This green one, this one here is all damaged, so I'll fix them all up and then recode it again and hopefully see what happens. I don't have any faults stored, and as you can see it's blinkering every single LED light. There you are, all good. It's all done. And also if I was to turn it on, as you can see everything's fine. And on here, like I said, you will have to code in this here. You have to scan this one first, and then you have to scan this one after as well, and that's it really. And the cause of, so I've just done that just temporarily for the time being, just to get it all running, and it's all passed. So I'll sort everything out, and hopefully so you go into control unit adaptation like I said, and then you'd go into teaching process, and then adaptation data, and then from there you scan the first one like I said, and then scan the second one, and that's it really. It just says completed at the end.